Ever wondered how your air conditioner magically cools down a hot room? Let me explain it to you in the simplest way possible. In this video, you'll learn how an air conditioner actually works, step by step. So stay with me till the end, because this will blow your mind just like cool air. Ever wonder how an air conditioner works? It's like magic, but with science. Step 1. It pulls in the warm air from your room. Step 2. The air passes over cold coils, losing its heat. Step 3. The heat is sent outside, leaving you with cool, refreshing air. It's like a refrigerator, but for your entire room. So next time you feel that cool breeze, thank your air conditioner, stay chill, and enjoy the comfort. Main components of AC. First, the compressor. Think of it as the heart, pumping refrigerant through the system. Next, the condenser coil. This is where the hot air gets kicked outside. Then, the expansion valve. It controls how much refrigerant flows through. Finally, the evaporator coil. This is what cools the air inside your room. These 4 parts work together to create a cycle that keeps your space chill. Let me now explain how a split air conditioner actually works, step by step. It's a continuous cycle of heat removal and air cooling. Here's how it happens. Step 1. The compressor starts the cycle. The compressor, located in the outdoor unit, compresses the refrigerant gas. This makes the refrigerant hot and high pressure. The hot gas then flows into the condenser coil. Step 2. Heat is released in the condenser coil. In the condenser coil, a fan blows outside air over the hot refrigerant. This cools the refrigerant and turns it into a high-pressure liquid. The heat is released into the outside environment. Step 3. Pressure drops in the expansion valve. Now, the liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve, which drops its pressure and temperature, preparing it for cooling the air. Step 4. Cooling happens in the evaporator coil, indoor unit. The cold refrigerant now enters the evaporator coil inside the room. Here, it absorbs the heat from the room air and turns into a gas again. The indoor fan blows this cooled air into the room, making it feel comfortable. Step 5. Refrigerant returns to compressor. Cycle repeats. After absorbing the room's heat, the refrigerant becomes warm gas again and goes back to the compressor. Then, the cycle starts all over again. So this is how your air conditioner cools the room, not by creating cold air, but by removing heat and cycling refrigerant in a smart way. Now you know how an air conditioner works, in a simple and clear way. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more HVAC knowledge. And don't forget to share this with anyone who wants to learn something cool.